I gotta pick this up so it can look a little neat in the background. I still haven't folded my clothes. Nope. What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Curl. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's pop locking, y'all? In today's video, this hair, it has to go. We're all set. We did our part. It's been in for like a month or so, but I have not been taking care of my scalp, and so we're gonna take care of that and get right into this. But first, how are you? You good? Talk to me down below. Thanks. We got a comb on deck, you know, we got a brush on deck. We're just gonna initially take this stuff out, and I don't know where my oh, I see some scissors. We're in the clear. We use some scissors and go at it. These are just crochet. The front row is where I actually just put it in individually, so it should be an easy takedown. But yeah, at this point, because I didn't braid it tight, the braids is coming loose on the inside. Okay, it's coming loose, and so it's pulling. The hair is pulling on the braids, and it's getting heavier and heavier, and my neck is over it. So we're gonna get that. Okay, great. So let's get this video started. Girl, let's get it.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I did it.
I'm gonna start in the back because I don't look crazy throughout the video, y'all. But I did not do my part by taking care of my scalp with this protective style, and it shows. I just have never been so irritated with my scalp and just the hair touching me in general. I'm like, So it is time. It stayed in longer than I wanted it to as well, but here we are. So yeah, we're gonna see what this scalp is talking about, y'all. I don't know, child, I don't know. Yes. This is Alexis from the Co-Life. She's making comments.
She keeps saying she wanted this hair taken out, but yet it has not been done. So I'm just trying to make
anyways.
That's real life.
That's crazy. I'm gonna have to vacuum. I think that through. And I don't have a trash can. We're not prepared, I repeat. All I'm doing is going right in here after cutting it. Alright, I should get y'all a closer one. Find that loop. Let's pull it out. And this only works because I braided it down to my scalp and crocheted it in. None of my own hair is in there in these twists. This section, if you don't, never mind. I'm gonna finish this on out. Y'all gotta get left-handed scissors because this is struggling. Think I can use both hands? You can't. You cannot. Y'all, this part right here is the easiest part. Just cutting it out, the easiest part. This is what comes after this, in which I think that's why you see a lot of people keep it in their head so long. But it's like, y'all, when it's time, it's time.
Yeah, I've had that hair too.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to make sure you cut it off.
Thank you. Now that, they needed that.
That's great advice.
Yes. Y'all, be realistic. Let's be realistic. As much as I want to come down here, I just know it ain't that long. So we're just gonna put right there. So as you can see, I kind of twirl it in my hands so it can come apart easily. Twirl, 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 and then it, you know, separates. Oh, and if y'all haven't already, make sure you check out Nae2Curly Apparel. It's my hair type poppin' shirt. I have yellow, we have this black shirt, we have a mint color. So yeah, crew necks, check it out. All right, let's see how my scalp is. I'm gonna actually definitely, yeah, scratch the scalp, but just, you know, nice and gentle. Take your time, and let's go. Y'all ready? Let's do this. Let's just start with the front since that's easier to see. Then I'll work on the back. Y'all, I jumped back onto dating apps. I got off of them because I was like, this is ghetto. But we're back at it. I am going to tangle a little bit because, you know, this has product on it. Just take my time. I'll get the Nae2Curly oil again, revitalizer oil. Y'all get it? Get you some. Okay. I used to have to scratch scalps in the salon. I was definitely that person that enjoyed it. I used to be like, oh, that scalp needs some love. I got you. I got you. I guess I could detangle it. Ouch. I know I'm double twisting. I know I just did that, but it's gonna help me show my scalp a little bit better if I do it like this. If you are grossed out, you can fast forward. It is understandable. Just a little oil on my hair first. A little bit. I'm starting at the root just to knock out that, you know, product buildup just a little bit. But then I'll start from the ends to detangle the rest. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. So some of this is product buildup, you're gonna see. Not too bad of a scalp. At least in my opinion. What y'all think? Ooh, this part right here. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. I know y'all never seen nothing like this from me before, so yeah. Product buildup is real, okay? This is what it looks like. Don't wash your hair. Just, yeah, I didn't do it. That's why when I was about to hit the like month mark, I was like, okay, no, Janae. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this off camera and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, see you soon. Yeah, this is how I took down my hair today, and yeah, it is time to wash it. Y'all know once y'all scratch y'all scalp, it really escalates the itching, and so we are at our max, and I'm gonna hop in the shower. But yeah, wanted to share y'all my takedown, and yeah, get this scalp under control. The products that I'm probably gonna use, I really did like Cream of Nature's brand. Now this was like daily cream, but this was really good of a line, and I should have used that. So I am gonna use this. Well, you can't rinse this out though, but it'll be nice and nice on my scalp. So I'm gonna just put this in for right now, because I already got some oil on my scalp, and then work from there. But what I'm thinking about using is melanin hair care. Thought about using melanin hair care, black castor oil, shampoo, and then a cleansing shampoo, which is probably gonna be from Up North Naturals. Her shampoo is moisturizing, yet it really cleanses it. So see, when you put it on your scalp, I also bring it out, making sure I'm not adding no more extra tangles, child. We just detangle, and then we're gonna lose a little bit more hair even in the process. Y'all know how it is. When we take down braids, they be like, I hope I ain't going nowhere. That's a lot of hair. Wow. This is the dead hair from, yeah, that Protective Style. And of course, if I squeeze it, you know, it's a little bit smaller than that. But yeah, so this is the amount of hair that I lost. But I'm not bald headed, I'm fine, everything's fine. This is it, say hey. It's still a lot of hair on my head, so. And now I gotta wash it. It's a lot of options you can do, right? But just making sure that I cleanse my hair 3 times, okay? You heard that right, 3 times. For me, that first wash, it ain't getting enough out, in my opinion. So I do at least 3 times, especially if I'm coming, mainly if I'm coming out of the Protective Style. Like, that 3rd wash is gonna really let me know, hey, now you got it. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use this, and like I said, Up North Naturals has a cleanser that's really good as well. We're definitely gonna deep condition. Who I'm gonna deep condition with, I don't know. I may bring back Bread. That deep conditioner was great. So the brand Bread. Where is the deep conditioner at? I don't know. Here are the products. Once again, it's not this. It's the brand, though. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that, and yeah, let me know how you take care of your scalp after a Protective Style. What do? You go all out, you know? Some of y'all don't take time to detangle, and that's why your hair is matted. Okay, that's how I'm gonna end the video today. So detangle that hair. When you take it down, don't leave that hair in too long, and take care of your scalp while it's in, okay? But yeah, so I hope y'all found this video educating, a little entertaining. Let you go, don't by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew. Woody woo, and as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Peace.